I know, me too. Now we've been to Paris, Auj.
I was doing the Eiffel Tower. You can climb over there.
Expecting the Eiffel Tower instead of the.
Yeah, you can climb up on that one.
Yeah, you can climb the.
Yeah, when it's open. The bell tower.
So pretty.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
All right, we are going to get on the road. We've been sitting here for the last half hour talking to Caravan Carolyn. So we're going to finally get back on the road. But definitely, if you come through Paris, go check this little restaurant out. That's they have one back in Bear Lake as well.
Garden City.
I'm sorry, Garden City, by Bear Lake, on Bear Lake.
Yep.
Decorated a little bit different. They've got hot rods and stuff on the ceiling, or hoisted up in the restaurant. So kind of a fun little place, and just excellent service. A lot of fun.
Very nice people.
Yep, good food.
Guys ready to roll?
All ready here.
I don't hear Auj.
Roger.
Okay, here we go. And maybe this will be open. You could go in there. I saw pictures of the inside and it's really, really nice in there. I don't know if this is the little museum or not. Hotel Paris.
Lots of cool buildings.
Well, there's an old motor home, or mobile home. Boy, look at the siding on this building coming up. Isn't that pretty? Look.
Yep.
Wow, that's pretty. Not an old building, but pretty. All right. I think the next city or next town we're coming into is Montpelier. And oh, they've got Deer Lake Refuge 3 miles down that way. That's where we're gonna dump and get water. We've been up in those mountains, so we've gotta clean out and get some fresh water. Well, that's a pretty house right there.
Yeah, I always like blue roofs on that kind of stuff.
Really pretty. Oh, lots of. That's a donkey or I don't know. That's
Mule.
a mule. I love little towns like that because it's like everybody's so friendly.
Yeah.
You know. And they were using us as their pictures for they have to turn in pictures showing that they're COVID standard to be open. So they were using us to show, I guess, send in their pictures that they're masked up and all that.
Those are some good chicken wings.
That building's kind of tilted. All right, 8 miles to Montpelier?
Yep, that works for me.
We got a lot of comments on the last video where we stopped at what was the little building? Cassidy.
Butch Cassidy's
Butch
house.
Cassidy's house. And a lot of you guys were saying that you like to look at the old houses. Oh, that's something Scotty and I really like to see old houses that are still standing. All right, we'll see you guys at the next place. All right, guys, so I said the name of the town wrong. It's Montpelier, right?
I try to stay away from pronouncing things. Yep.
I think Jeff said it was something like the French. I don't know. I'm not going to try to explain it.
I do know one thing.
You guys know me. I can never, ever, ever pronounce towns right. Anyways, what are we doing?
We're going to go see a closed bank that, that Butch Cassidy robbed.
Yeah.
But it's a museum. It used to be a bank. Now it's a museum.
So we showed you guys, if you guys watched the last video, we stopped at Butch Cassidy's childhood home. And then we're coming through this little town and realized that this is one of the banks that he robbed. And I'm not sure. We'll go over here and read, and maybe it will say something. But I think when I was looking up the history on it, it may be the one and only bank that's still standing intact. Unfortunately, the museum is closed because of everything that's going on, but we can still look in the window a little bit. We decided it'd be kind of fun to show you guys some good history.
Why we're here.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
All right, let's go. I just saw this little guy. He's sitting in front of City Hall. The Bank of Montpelier, and you can go to www.butchcassidymuseum.com. And then we have bank robbers. On August 13th, 1896, Butch Cassidy and his infamous wild bunch of gunmen invaded Montpelier's bank and scooped up more than $16,500 in gold, silver, and currency. Free admission. In 1896, Utah joined the Union and another star was added to the U.S. flag. 54 stars. Hopefully the sun isn't in your guys' eyes like it is mine. So my understanding is this is a gentleman's hobby from the things that I have read. Let's see if we can see in here. Wow. Interesting. Let me see if I can get you guys without a bunch of glare. 1896 reinforced bank door.
Hey, but they have some fresh air in the can.
Oh yeah, this is a private establishment. It runs part-time as a hobby because I have a full-time job elsewhere that supports my family. Please do not post negative comments about the museum being closed. Donations and purchase merchandise will help the door stay open, or will help keep this door open. Please do not complain. Contribute instead. Very nice. Aww, sad. Thank you for preserving U.S. history by purchasing merchandise in this bank. And I'll just hold this here, and you guys can read that if you'd like.
Let's see what it says there. It says, please tie your horse.
I did not see that.
What am I supposed to do with the ram?
I don't
There's the tie thing
know.
over there. Stay, ram, stay. I don't have to tie that one down. Awesome.
Oh boy, it really goes pretty far back in there. I bet this would just be a great little museum to walk into. I love history like this. I don't know if you guys can read what's on the walls. I'm trying to do the best I can outside this window. Oh. Maybe next time. Original vault door. Wow. You notice on the floor it's got cards for the walkway area. Well, unfortunately, we'll have to maybe come back some other time to see it.
But look at that. See?
Yep.
If it's on YouTube, it's true. Verified.
Verified, that's right. Got his star here.
A bank robber that's famous.
Oh,
Incredible.
goodness. All right, everybody. We are going to get on the road. Ausia is waiting down here for us, and so is Jeff, so we need to get back on the road.
Okay, they've kind of learned a lesson, so what they've done is they've put the police station right across the street from the bank. I don't know if Butch Cassidy's coming back, but hey, good looking fella. Kind of looks like my brother.
You don't have a brother.
I know. Exactly.
All right, let's go. So we got to our spot, but we're being attacked by mosquitoes, so we decided to take a little walk and get away from them.
They're sucking my blood.
Yeah, we're just walking down the little road that gets us to where we're camped at. Don't go over by that chair. They're just swarming everywhere. Oh, they're on. One's on your chest, on your shoulder.
Well, these are a little quicker than the flies.
They,
from the other
yeah,
spot.
they got into our house too. So I'm in here
Fly swatting them?
swatting them. Yeah.
They must go, they probably don't last that long if they don't eat anything, so they must go
I don't
hunting and die
know.
around here.
So we just took a walk and came back. We were getting bit on our walk as well. I've got, oh, there's one. Got him. Ugh. Anyways, oh, Scotty's gonna let some in. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna pick all this stuff up on my floor that we just threw in here. Anyways, sorry. Yeah, we went out for a walk. We were getting bitten there. I've got eucalyptus oil on me. I've got bug spray, and I put Vicks on because somebody told me Vicks helped. None of it helped, and I've got a lot of it on me. So we're all gonna just stay in for the rest of the night. I'll show you guys around. It's not a big deal. It's just the river in front of us. It's not like it's a parking lot is what I'm trying to say. Oh man, they must be used to it. All right, we'll show you around tomorrow. Oh my gosh. This is our screen. Thank goodness we have a screen. They want to eat us.
Whoa.
Yeah, I know. There's lots of them. Isn't that crazy?
Moly. Should I start up our little smoker thing and see if it'll...
No, they can't get in here. It's
I know,
just
but
when
maybe
you...
it'll make them go away. Oh my
Well,
gosh.
they can't get in here, so we already had that running outside, and
That's a lot of skeeters.
that's a ton of skeeters.
I don't even want to get in my undies tonight to go to bed. I'm
Oh,
afraid
is
now.
that one? Yep. Oh, get him, babe.
Oh no.
Wait. Oh, Come on, I don't know where he's at. Oh, did you get him?
I see several of them.
Shoot, how did they get back in here? Oh,
Fighting the diligent skeeters.
whoops, I dropped you guys. He was flying in my face. We had a little tiny hole in our, right here. So I just put that on there for right now. We need to get some new screen. And then I got, Bite MD. Because what they do. They leave big welts. Got me. I know that one's around here somewhere. Alright, well, it's the end of our night outside, and we're just going to relax the rest of the night. Ausia's uploading this video, and we're just going to stay in here away from the
And I'm not
skeeter
sitting there
bugs.
tomorrow.
No, I don't think
I don't
so.
want to be eating my skeeters.
It was nice during the day, but if we have to go and get a new spot, we need to go in the morning before the spots get taken up. Bad skeeters. All right. Good night, everybody. Thanks for traveling with us.
Stay safe and keep the skeeters away.
Well, we left that area. I didn't even really get to show you guys around. There were way too many mosquitoes out last night and this morning. We've got welts.
We got them in our...
Oh, there's one right there in the cab of the truck. Oh. Okay, hang on. I gotta get this bug.